Here I've got QILIVE 5039D, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to locate and open System and go to date and time. And you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can switch off this mode and select the date and time manually by yourself, so it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone, just click here and then select the time zone from the following list. As you can see, you've got plenty of options, so definitely all of us will find something suitable. And let me pick Fiji. And finally you can also change the format of your clock. So you can use either 24-hour format clock, or you can turn it off and have 12-hour format clock. And actually that would be all. This is how you can change the date and time on your device, and whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just tap on all those switchers and now your date, time zone and also clock format will be automatic. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.